Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Smart Control button on the HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. So on the 80 Ultra you have a power button which also acts as a fingerprint sensor, and you also have a Smart Control button option which allows you to launch apps or do other actions when you double tap the button. And to enable this option, we first need to set up a fingerprint scan, so a scan of your fingerprint, if you haven't done that yet. So I'm going to show you how to do it, and the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, then scroll down to biometrics and password, select fingerprint ID, enter the PIN or the unlock pattern, and then we're going to tap on new fingerprint. So we're going to take our phone in our hand like this, so like you're usually holding it, and then we're just going to kind of slide our finger in a circle like this while the fingerprint is getting scanned. So you just do this motion like that. You don't need to like raise your finger and place it again. You just slide in a circle like this, and the setup is pretty fast. So this is pretty much everything that you need to do, and there we go, the fingerprint has been added. So now that we've done that, we're going to go back to the main menu of the settings, and then scroll down to the accessibility features, select the shortcuts and gestures, and then we're going to tap on the smart controls. So here, as you can see, touch the fingerprint button twice to open a selected app or feature. So we're going to tap on touch twice here, and you can go through a tutorial to see how the shortcuts work. Let's go through that to show you how it works. So double tap the fingerprint sensor to open your payment code. You tap it twice, and it's going to pretty much open up any of the features. So you don't really need to even press the button. All you need to do is just tap twice lightly like this. And now let's go back to touch twice, and here are the options that you can enable. So you have AI lens, AI touch, and you have flashlight, camera, sound mode, recorder, super privacy. You have even more settings down here to launch some app, and just select the option that you want to launch when you tap the button twice. So I'm going to do AI touch for now, and now let's try it out. So if we tap this button twice, as you can see, AI touch is enabled. So this is the feature. And if we change it to anything else, so if we come back to shortcuts and gestures, smart controls, and change it to something else, maybe like to launch the camera app, if you tap twice, it's going to launch the camera app. It's working pretty quickly. You don't need to press down the button or anything, just tap it twice lightly, and the app gets launched. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.